What if I told you that you don't need to break the bank to experience a smartphone that delivers power, performance, and a sleek design? Sometimes, the most surprising gems are found in the mid-range category, and today, I've got just the one for you, the Infinix Note 40 Pro. It's a device that punches well above its weight and can easily hold its own against more expensive competitors. Let's dive in and see why the Infinix Note 40 Pro is a surprising mid-range choice that's capturing everyone's attention in 2024. At first glance, the Infinix Note 40 Pro doesn't look like a typical mid-range phone. Its premium glass back, solid aluminum frame, and glossy finish give it a flagship feel. It's sleek, slim, and definitely eye-catching, especially with its radiant color options. The attention to detail here is impressive, from the perfectly placed rear cameras to the well-balanced weight of the device, making it feel comfortable in the hand despite being in the mid-range category. The build quality of the Note 40 Pro rivals that of phones twice its price. It even features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor which is fast, reliable, and seamlessly integrated into the design. The display is where the Infinix Note 40 Pro really starts to show its worth. It comes with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with Full HD resolution, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. Watching videos, gaming, or just scrolling through your Instagram feed feels so much better on this screen compared to other devices in this price range. And here's the best part, it has a 120Hz refresh rate. That's right, you're getting ultra smooth animations and fluid scrolling, which is a feature you typically find in much higher end devices. For under Rs 20,000, this is a steal. Under the hood, the Infinix Note 40 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset. Now, this might not be a Snapdragon flagship processor, but don't let that fool you. This phone delivers solid performance across the board. Whether you're multitasking, playing graphics-intensive games, or using heavy apps, the Note 40 Pro handles it with ease. Paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, you'll never feel like the phone is holding you back. Apps load quickly, and switching between them is smooth and lag-free. It's perfect for people who want reliable performance without the premium price tag. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Infinix Note 40 Pro comes with a 108MP main camera, and for its price, this is a huge deal. The photos are sharp, vibrant, and full of detail, even when zoomed in. In good lighting conditions, this camera performs brilliantly, capturing colors and contrast with accuracy. The phone also has a 16MP ultra-wide camera and a 2MP depth sensor for portrait shots. While the ultra-wide camera doesn't match the main sensor in terms of detail, it's great for capturing landscapes or group photos. Night photography is decent too, thanks to the dedicated night mode that helps brighten up shots in low light. As for video, you can shoot at 4K, which is amazing for this price range, and it comes with electronic image stabilization (EIS), making your handheld videos look smoother and more professional. The Infinix Note 40 Pro doesn't just excel in performance, it also delivers when it comes to battery life. With a massive 5100 mAh battery, this phone will easily last you a full day of heavy use, whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or working on the go. You won't have to worry about reaching for the charger halfway through the day. And when you do need to charge, the 66W fast charging support will have you back up and running in no time. In just 30 minutes, you can go from 0 to 50% battery, which is a lifesaver in today's fast-paced world. The Infinix Note 40 Pro runs on Source, which is based on Android 14. It's smooth, customizable, and packed with useful features like the smart sidebar for quick access to apps and game mode to enhance your gaming experience. Plus, there's 5G connectivity, ensuring that you're future-proofed for faster mobile data speeds as networks continue to roll out. You're getting a phone that's ready for the future without having to spend a fortune. So what makes the Infinix Note 40 Pro such a surprising choice in the mid-range category? It's simple. This phone gives you features and performance you'd expect in devices that cost significantly more. From its beautiful AMOLED display and powerful performance to its 108MP camera and all-day battery life, the Note 40 Pro is a hidden gem in 2024. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or someone who just wants a reliable, stylish phone without overspending, this device offers incredible value for money. It proves that you don't need to sacrifice quality to stay within your budget. If you are inspired by the idea of getting more for less, the Infinix Note 40 Pro is the mid-range phone you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.